Hey everyone, so today we got the rest of our Lego order in. So a few videos ago, you've seen us get a Lego order and sort it. So anybody who's ordered from Lego.com knows that the best sellers usually come within a few days. The non-best sellers, because they're coming from Denmark, come up to 40 days later. So it's been almost 40 days and here's our second box. So now we're gonna get Joey and Jericho to rip this thing open. Ooh, what do we got there?
We got the boat along with some pieces here.
All right, let's get. I tell you what, just dump it. Just dump the whole box. Gingerly pour it out. There you go. All right, so now that we got everything out of the box, let's see what we got. So we got some 1x4 modified tile with the 2 studs on it, some 2x4 gray tile, and some 1x2 modified tile with 2 studs. 4x4 green plate for our Mills plating. We got some 2x6 white brick. And for the custom mansion or our custom house that we're building, I got some 2x8 white brick, some 1x8 light tan, some inverted slopes, some inverted corners. 1x1 by 3, I think it is. Anyway, the corner tile piece. We got some more 2x8 brick and some 1x8 brick, along with the I think it's 1x2 by 5, some 1x4 whites, and some 1x2 red plate, some 1 stud red plate, and that looks like what 1x10 red plate, 2x2 jumpers. We got some guns here for Joey's clone trooper army that he's slowly building up. And of course we got 2x2 brick, this time I picked green. And we got some 2x2 red plate, along with some 1x16 white brick. And of course for Jericho, we got his boat. And so that's gonna be for Jericho's little navy that he's building. So there you have it. That is our Lego order, already pre-sorted unlike the last time. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna show you what we build with some of this stuff. So if you like it, subscribe, drop us a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.